Hello all, this is IQRA TEHREEN. I completed my engineering in Vijayawithala Institute of Technology. I joined Qspiders in the month of March and I was an incubation student. I started off with my course first as SQL and then manual and then core Java and finally with Selenium automation. SQL and manual was taught by Umashankar sir and core Java was taught by Akshay sir and finally automation Selenium was taught by Mr. sir. Teachers here are very highly qualified. They teach you effortlessly. They clear all our doubts and to an extent they explain each concept where we never feel any difficulty or have any doubts. And HRs here, they provide n number of opportunities for us. They provide number of requirements and we will get placed and continuous groomings will be given, throughout which we will be able to know how the questions will be, how we have to answer, what are the type of questions and what is the type of answer we need to give for the particular question. And yes, this was my sixth company which I got scheduled, and finally yesterday I got placed in company called 7-Eleven, and this company it had 3 rounds and it was 2 aptitude rounds and coding was in hacker rank, and then I had technical HR in which he asked me to explain again the coding concepts, and he asked me to explain open the Eclipse and code. I was able to do just because I was good in Java programming, which was taught by Akshay sir, and automation which was done by Mr. Himsa. He taught me all the interview questions, how to answer and all that, through which it just looked like a piece of cake for me. And overall experience was really good. We have to have patience in us, have to have morale and self-motivate ourselves that one day we will get job. So those who are unemployed and searching for job, I feel this is the best platform to get into it. I feel this was one of the best decisions that I made, and I was a part of Qspiders and Qspiders Hebbal branch. Thank you all.